Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good today and welcome to the today's video. So today we are going to talk about something on Redis. Redis is an in-memory database. It's basically act as a caching layer. Too many companies have started adapting to use this Redis. So we would like to talk about Redis. So Redis has a lot of feature everyone knows and it has certain limitations and there are certain solutions to overcome those limitations. So those things that I'm going to talk about today. So without wasting any time, just get into the video. Okay, the first one which we are going to talk about is limited data durability. So Redis is an in-memory database and by default it stores data in memory, which means that if server fails or restarted, all data will in the memory will be lost. Okay, so this is pathetic, right? So to overcome this, so Redis provides a feature called persistence, so which allows data to be saved to the disk periodically. Limited scalability. So Redis is a single threaded database, which means that it can only utilize a single core of a server. To overcome this, Redis provides a clustering, sharding feature to overcome these limitations and distribute the workload across multiple nodes. So limited querying capability. So Redis does not support complex queries like SQL databases. So to have this fix to bridge the gap, so Redis provides a support for basic querying capabilities like key value lookup, range queries, and simple patterning matching. Lack of transaction. Redis does not support asset the compliant transaction, which can make it challenging to ensure data consistency in complex multi-step operations. To overcome this, Redis provides a support for atomic operations, which can be used to build more complex operations. Limited security features. So Redis does not provide a built-in support for authentication, encryption, or access control. So Redis can be secured by configuring a firewall, encrypting traffic, using third-party authentication and authorization systems. Limited data types. Redis supports a limited set of data types, including strings, list, sets, hash, and sorted sets. But to overcome this, it provides a support of custom data types and data structuring using modules. Limited secondary indexings. Uh, Redis does not provide built-in support for secondary indexing, which can make it challenging to query the data based on the non-primary key. To overcome this, but it provides the support of secondary indexing using custom data structure and modules. Limited analytics capability. Redis does not provide a built-in support of data analytics, which can make it challenging to perform complex queries or run analytics on large data sets. To bridge this gap, it can be integrated with third-party analytics systems like Apache Spark and Hadoop and all those things. Limited support for large data sets. So Redis is an in-memory database and its performance can degrade if data set exceeds the available memory. To bridge this gap, Redis provides a support of offloading data to disk or using external storage systems like Amazon S3. So you can easily sync the data in S3 bucket. So limited reliability as well. Redis can be prone to crash or data corruption if not configured correctly. There is certain things that you can overcome this particular challenge, which is Redis provides a support for monitoring, backup, disaster recovery to ensure high availability and reliability. So that's all I have, guys. I hope you might have enjoyed this particular video. Keep learning. Please do support, do subscribe, and hit like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll see you on another video.